So let's say that you're now armed with a compelling value proposition. What's the next step? It's amplifying your presence through your listing with Amazon advertising. Now, this phase is crucial for constructing your narrative across listings, your stores, your posts, and ads. And this is going to ensure your unique selling propositions are front and center.
When it comes to listings, remember that details matter. Leveraging A+ content can also significantly enhance your listing's appeal.
For instance, listing with A+ content show a 5 to 10% higher conversion rate compared to those without among my client pools. Here is my quick checklist for creating a standout Amazon listings. Additionally, the advantage of using Amazon stores allows you to offer a branded experience on Amazon. It's key to have your mini website where you can narrate your brand story and exhibit your products. I'll share one of the examples, adapting deals as their sales set strategy and display deals on Amazon store, efficiently clearing out inventory and attracting bargain hunters, leading to increased traffic and sales. Introducing About Us page, they created an About Us section to convey their brand's core values, focusing on premium, eco-friendly ingredients, and social and environmental campaigns. This transparency helped build trust and loyalty among customers valuing sustainability, highlighting main products, flagship products, ensuring potential buyers' attention is drawn to standout offerings, making it easier for customers to explore their unique benefits. Meanwhile, Posts, free Amazon marketing tool, enables you engage with customers by sharing lifestyle images and stories related to your products. By employing posts, you can significantly enhance engagement and funnel traffic towards your listings and store.
By creating posts that inform customers about the benefits and reliability of their products, significantly increasing brand visibility. Through these strategic implementations, effectively utilize its Amazon store to showcase products and communicate brand story and values, creating a deeper connection with its audience, enhancing brand visibility, and significantly contributing to sales and customer retention.
Now, let's go deep into the significance of Amazon ads. Why is it so important and what matters the most?
Initially, my listings were buried beyond page 20 in search research without Amazon ads. However, leveraging the right keywords and products with Amazon ads proved highly effective in overcoming this barrier. This created a virtuous cycle. Increased listing prominence and exposure leads to higher sales and more positive reviews.
You're absolutely right. Let's start with sponsored products. They're the fuel that brings visibility. By strategically selecting keywords, we can ensure our products are front and center when shoppers search for related items like this.
Spot on, Lim. And once we've revved up our visibility with sponsored products, it's time to supercharge our brand awareness with sponsored brands. These ads put our brand in the spotlight, showcasing our logo and top products to shoppers browsing Amazon.
With sponsored products and sponsored brands working in harmony, we can drive traffic, boost sales, and take our brand to new heights on Amazon.
All right, now let's go into some advanced strategies for executing and optimizing your Amazon campaigns. Let's say you've been running some campaigns, maybe an auto campaign or a broad campaign for a few weeks. What you need to do is go into the Amazon advertising search term reports and analyze the data. Find out if there are keywords that you're spending a lot of money on, but you are not getting a lot of sales or maybe no sales at all.
I'll kick things off with some overarching principles you can apply to Amazon campaign execution. First and foremost, ensure that all your fundamentals are in the place. Your listing page is paramount. If it's not optimized effectively, regardless how much traffic you drive, potential customers will either bounce out or head to your competitors. Focus on high resolution, compelling images, persuasive descriptions, and competitive pricing. Begin with automatic campaigns to gather valuable data over time. This data will help you pinpoint high-performing keywords that your customers are searching for. Then transition to exact match manual campaigns to drive sales.
Let me share some more quick optimization tips based on diagnosing some common issues with your advertising. One could be low impressions. This probably indicates low bidding competitiveness, especially if your products are new. You might need to increase your bids or check, are you really relevant for that keyword? Another one might be high impressions, but low number of clicks. Optimize the listing elements that show up in the search results, your main image. What about your price? What about your title? If you're getting impressions but no clicks, it means that people are not clicking on your product in the search results, and those are what they can see. Image, title, and price. One of those is maybe leading to the reason that people are not clicking on your listing. What if you get high impressions, high clicks, but low conversion? It means that there's something that people like about your product in the search results that made them click it, but something about your product page maybe is turning them off. Maybe it's your images, maybe it's the price, maybe it's your bullet points, you don't have A+ content.
Oh, I heard a lot of sellers mention about video is king. Can you share some of your insight for video?
Definitely. In e-commerce, where customers can physically interact with products, videos play a crucial role in conveying the product key feature in the most dynamic way possible. My experience with brand owner partners has shown that sponsored brand video ads and sponsored display video ads are particularly effective. Furthermore, with Amazon DSP, you have the ability to reach customers both within the outside Amazon, offering a robust tool for brand expansion and recognition.
Now, in case you guys don't know what that stands for, DSP, Amazon DSP stands for Amazon Demand Side Platform. It's a programmatic advertising platform that allows advertisers to buy display and video ad placements across Amazon's websites, apps, and devices, as well as on third-party websites and apps as well.
Thank you for all your valuable insight and sharing. I've also learned a lot today.
You're now well on your way to developing a strong global brand and establishing your place on the international stage. We invite you to please like, comment, and share and subscribe to our content. Your engagement helps us create even more and better content for you in the future. 감사합니다.